Hey everyone, I'm Sam, your guide to better business connections. Ever deal with angry shoppers because a cheap charger failed them? For a top wholesale USB charging cable, Texas shops trust Right Distribution LLC. They focus on high-performance gear. These USB-C cables offer rapid charging and reinforced build quality, perfect for local retailers who value happy, repeat customers every day. Each unit is tested to ensure your inventory stays ahead of the game. Navigating their digital catalog is incredibly smooth for busy owners. Give your tech aisle the professional upgrade it truly deserves today. Head to rightdistribution.com for great deals. Thanks for listening. Catch our next episode for more retail tips.